This is a quick video on how to repair the tail wheel on a rotary cutter, bush hog, things like that. This is a Taylor-way bush hog, 7 foot, but it applies to just about all of these. So you can see I got a wobbly wheel. So the wheel is just going back and forth, not straight. Compared to this one here, that's good. It doesn't wobble and move, it only rotates. But this one's all messed up. You don't have to buy an entire wheel. I'm gonna show you how to take it off. Just repair this hub. You can buy just the hub and it'll fix. What's happened is that bearing inside that hub is just completely gone. You can pack it up with grease, but to fix it real well, you'll need to replace this hub right here. Some things to look out for: they have a couple different hubs. This one's a four bolt pattern here, and it's on a 1 inch bolt. So they have two different types, a 1 inch and a 3/4 inch. So measure your diameter of your bolt right here and check your spacing on your wheel center. This one is 3.5 inches from the bolt to the center, and it also has a little cutout here, so you got to watch out and make sure that it'll go around these other screws as well. But I'm going to be taking this off and then replacing it. So on this end right here, I'm going to use a large ratchet. Looks like this is a 1 7/16 right here on this side, and then on the nut side I'm going to use a 1.5 right here. Take this off. So there you can see right there, I just took this off, and the bearings are just completely gone in it. So there is no bearings inside the hub, so that's what we're going to replace. No need to get the whole wheel. Whole wheel probably cost about $160, $180, but just the hub will cost us about 40 bucks. Now that I got the wheel off the rotary cutter, I'm going to take off the hub from the actual wheel. So just 4 fasteners right here, no nuts on the back side, it just taps into there. I got the new hub right here, looks real nice, has a grease fitting right there, and this just places right there on the wheel, line those holes up. Now this portion right here is tapped, so I'm going to come back through with the bolts on the other side. It did come with new bolts, so I'll put that and that lock washer on and install those from the other side. Now that I got it installed on there, I'm going to pack it full of grease. This thing doesn't actually have bearings inside of it. This wasn't bearings, it's just the collars. So what happens is that bolt right there, it just rotates along that collar. So it's important to have grease so that it's able to rotate freely. But I'm gonna pack this thing up. It certainly has the grease fitting right there on it, but while I have it open, I'm gonna pack this thing in. Bit of an issue getting this wheel back on. My frame right here looked like it had bowed in, so it didn't fit quite the hub. So I took the jack and spread it out and put me a block right there so that I could put this wheel back on. So I'm gonna put this main bolt right back on, and should be good to go. I got my wheel back on and everything's working real well. Knocked the block out that I had in there, and this thing fit perfectly after that. Just had to expand that open. So you can see with that fresh packed grease, it's spinning real nice. Doesn't wobble around. It's in there really good. So overall, this project turned out real well, and I got my bush hog back up and going.